Welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you a short bachata shine that you just saw. We're going to focus mostly on the body movement. So let's jump right in. I'm going to turn around and we're going to start with the basic step first. So we'll do the side basic to the right and then to the left. Let's go together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on 1, we're going to step with our right to the side and bring our hips to the right as well. And on 2, make a half circle with our hips to the back and to the left, while transferring our body weight on our left. So that's 2. Then on 3, we're going to open our chest while our body is pointing diagonally to the right. And on 4, we're going to bend over. Now, you don't have to go all the way down. You can stop maybe in this position with your body parallel to the floor. You can have your hands on your thighs, or one hand on your thigh and the other one a little bit lower. That's up to you. And then on 5, we're going to look forward and start coming back up on 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's try it slowly from 1. So on 1, we're stepping to the side, bringing our hips to the right. Then on 2, making a half circle to the left. On 3, opening our chest. And on 4, bending forward. Now on 5, looking up. And on 6, 7, 8, coming all the way up. Okay, so let's put it together slowly with the basic step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's go one more time and we'll add the arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, when you're coming back up, make sure your chest is open, okay? You don't want to have it rounded like this, okay, and your shoulders down. You want to keep your chest open and your shoulder blades together, okay? Now let's add the arms. I'm going to face you now so that you can see what I'm doing. So on 1, 2, as we are doing the half circle with the hips, we'll move our left arm around the head, okay? And we want to start preparing our arm a little bit before that, maybe on 7 and 8, as we are finishing our basic, okay? So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then on 7, 8, we want to bring our left arm a little bit higher so that it's ready to come to the other side on 1, as we are doing the half circle, okay? So on 1, when we step with our right to the side, we'll bring our left arm here, okay, with our fingers pointing down and our thumb pointing to the back. And then on 2, we'll bring it to the other side along with the hips, to the other side and down, okay? So we'll end up in this position with our hand on the neck. Okay, so let's try it together with the basics slowly. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay, let's go one more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now you can leave your right hand on your hip or your thigh, it doesn't really matter, but we want to have it somewhere so that it's not hanging next to our body, okay? Now from here on 3, when we open our chest, we'll slide our left arm down onto our chest like this, and then on 4, when we bend over, we'll slide both of our arms down. onto our thighs or even lower. On 5, we're staying in the same position, and on 6, 7, 8, we're going to slide our arms back up. Okay, so let's try it slowly from the top. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. And now let's do it a little bit faster. I'm going to face away from you now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now when we come back up, we'll go a few more times. So from here, we'll do a side basic again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. And now let's do it with music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, that was all for today. Thank you very much for dancing with me. Please let me know what length of the videos you prefer, if it's shorter, 10 to 15 minutes, or longer, 20 to 30 minutes. I would love to know. When I make my videos, I want to make sure that I explain everything in great detail, but I also don't want to make my videos very long when nobody's going to watch them. But when I create longer dance routines or bachata shines, it takes time to explain everything, so that makes my videos pretty long. So I would love to know what you think, and I would really appreciate your feedback. And if you like shorter bachata shines like this one, then you can check out my video over here that is very similar to the one that I showed you today. Thank you very much again, and I will see you in my next one.